Hey guys, Fishin' N Stuff. In the heat of the summer, if you've never fished for crappie with a light like this one, then you don't know what you're missing. I've made several submersible lights, and I made a DIY to show you how to make one very affordable right after this. Hey guys, if you're interested in DIYs and fishing videos, click subscribe and click that bell notification so you'll know when I post the next video. Fishing with a light at night is a great way to catch crappie. The last light I made was about 4 years ago, and I made it just like they show you on YouTube, with a piece of PVC, the light wrapped around it, covered by a piece of polypropylene. The polypropylene, which is this, is half the price of the light. So leaving it out saves you a lot of money. And that happened to my light. It busted the polypropylene. Well, I kept using the light and it works fine still, because the LEDs that you put inside of it are waterproof. So there's really no point for the polypropylene, which costs half the price of the light. So the way I'm making the light today will cost you around 15 bucks depending on what you spend on your wire. The LED lights were $8.99 and the PVC is very affordable. The first light I made, I used a 1-inch polypropylene tube and a 3/4 inch inside tube to wrap the lights on. On this project, I used a 1 1/4 inch piece of PVC. I made it thicker so the light would be shorter. A 16-foot roll of LED lights, 2 end caps, a tube of silicone, some speaker wire worked great for the wire, and 6.5 ounces of sinkers. First, drill a hole in your end cap. I tied a knot in the wire so it wouldn't come back out. Then I filled the end cap full of silicone so it won't leak. I dropped down and drilled a hole in the PVC to run the light wire through. And soldered them together and covered it with some heat shrinking tube. Then I filled that up with silicone. I wrapped my lights around the PVC tube until I got to the end, stopping about every 4 wraps to put some super glue just to make sure I got a good bond. When you get to the bottom, measure it and cut it so that your bottom cap will fit on. And then I filled the rest of the tube up with silicone. I put my sinkers in last so they'll be at the bottom so that the light will stay up and down and won't float on its side. If you don't add weight to the bottom of the light, it'll float horizontal and you want it to float vertical so that the light covers a larger area. Well, here's the end result. Here's the first light I made. You see the difference in the length? And it's shorter, which you may not think is better, but actually it is, because it's gonna make it brighter in one concentrated area. Now the only thing to do is go test it out.